Yoruba man don finally confirm that Islamization of Nigeria is real. No be small thing o, wey we dey talk am, some people no believe us. This our brother don finally come talk am. Na Yoruba man o, no be Igbo man talk am. He say that Tinubu is there only to make sure say that wetin the Fulanis, which is Islamic movement, dey plan say everything go well for them. Say Tinubu no dey work for Yoruba people. No be small thing o, as that one dey happen. They say that the demolition of Igbo houses for inside Lagos, he say na plan something wey be say they don plan am. Now finally pastor wey dey plan this thing don finally come outside, they come talk am. The pastor talk am before the thing even started sef, but wetin dey happen to our people be say we no dey put ear down. We just say everything na social media. This pastor finally broke the table, talk said how the thing take happen. Say either where they do the mystery before they even start, they bring all those things down. My people, you know as Nigeria me dey do, they don't come outside though. Come talk say those people wey come outside, those armies wey come outside, they criticize the governor of Lagos State, the Otinga. The king come himself. He said that those army wey come talk that thing, they don't arrest some of them for inside. My people, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, I beg you, if you know say you never follow this channel, make quickly do so, but don't forget to share this video. It is very important. Only thing wey you go dey do for us na to share the video so that other people go dey get information and know wetin dey go on. Yeah, my people, let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. This Yoruba brother don finally come outside. They come talk say, he say that the true, him be Muslim, even him papa, him grandpapa, him papa, all of them na Muslim. He say that the Islamization of Nigeria is real. Now their number one agenda is even to say that Tinubu dey there to work for Fulanis to make sure say wetin the plan come to pass. My people, let me play you the video, may you watch, and before we go come back, come proceed. But please share the video immediately.
Elements, religious Islamic element in the Yoruba ethnic group, to use them to destabilize that mighty people who have built empires like Oyo and other places long before anything. But they are looking for some weak elements. Like Tinubu is a weak element. People think he's powerful, but he's a weak element in the Yoruba war. These are the weak elements they want to use to be able to push the Islamic agenda. People have been telling you that Islamic agenda is a lie. No, it's true. I can tell you that I was born a Muslim. My people have been Muslim since the 7th century. I'm a Madinga. And we have been Muslim. There is nobody in my ethnic group who is Christian. All my people have been Muslim. And I studied Islam in northern Nigeria. And I'm telling you, the agenda is to push that country toward Islamic agenda or destroy it completely. So to your question, I will tell you that Nigeria does not have a bright future for now. It doesn't have a bright future for now. The elements that are in the north, and most of them are receiving grants. Some of them, even in university, they are getting grants from this Qatar. And all the extreme Islamic groups are giving them money. And they are building, their power is increasing day by day in the political system. They are even creating billionaires that eventually tomorrow they want to control western part of Nigeria. The East a little bit stubborn for them. Eastern Nigeria is stubborn. That's why they are isolating them. The isolation of so-called Igbo, it's not because Igbo hate Nigeria. Igbos are the most Nigerian than any Nigerian. They are every part of Nigeria you find them. They have their own problem for sure, like every African group. But the issue, they are not the problem. But they are acting a little bit stubborn to the Islamic agenda. So they have to be isolated. And to do that, you need one of the most powerful group, which is the Yoruba group. If you don't use Yoruba, you can't succeed. And the Yoruba group is very educated. So what do? You look for the weak one among them, which is the Islamized ones, and play on their religious sentiment. And then you destabilize the country. I can tell you, my friends, You need a revolution. Elements.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, sebi you don't see am and you don't hear am with your own ear. I say Tinubu, I don't know the mission for Tinubu wey come do for the people. No wonder after Tinubu enter Oduduwa Republic come go down. Nobody dey talk anything. No Sunday Igboho come outside talk. Whether they don't give am sham, e no come dey talk again. Nobody know. But however, we go find out how the thing take dey happen. My people, let's quickly jump into the another ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. They said that the one pastor for inside Yoruba where they talk how they want to bring Igbo people. Say they don't do bye-bye everywhere for inside Lagos. Because of this reason, now be Igbo landlord and how they target they do all those things for inside Lagos. My people, let's watch this video together before we come back and continue. Don't forget to share.
Coming from this story, some say that the Lagos state government is only after Igbo landlords and began trending an old video of Pastor Tunde Bakare where he talked about conspiracy against Igbos.
I was at a meeting a few days back last week, and they said, the Igbos, we must find a way of checkmating them. I sat there in the midst of them, and the man said, you are not even saying anything. I said, what is the offense? He said, they are bought everywhere in Lagos. They are buying and buying. And I said, when they came with gun and shot your people, or your people collected money for the purchase. Baba looked at me and said, why are you like this? I said, I'm like that. Did your people sell to them? Who asked you to sell your land? That was the end of the meeting. If you are going to invite me into a meeting where we are going to move the nation forward, don't pitch one tribe or ethnic nation against the other. It's not going to work for those of us who believe that the best of the North and the best of the South must come together to steer the ship of our nation. Do you understand me?
Yeah, my wonderful people, shebi you don't hear am. Wouldn't they talk this thing for a very long time? Say this thing where they happen, no be only say e dey for wrong place. You know, say Nigeria na place where be say na tribalism don too much. The hatred where they get for Ndi Igbo, e don too much. So anything will happen. Once the government come bring their cook and lie, come sell for the public go buy am, come first Ndi Igbo. And that this thing where they happen, if you put eye down, we'll talk am for the beginning. If they follow us, if you be Balabaji stop fan, you go no say we'll talk am for here. Say this thing is not all about say they build them for the bad structure, they build them for the wrong way or for canal, for all those things. Say all these things are lies, this is a mystery. What they don't already do, put his mouth in them, they call prophesy long time ago, and finally a letter come to pass. This one where they do now, and waiting they don't already plan down. That's why that the Igbos in Lagos have to wake up and fight for their right. Nobody will fight for you. If you dey there, if you say you don't dey there, you don't buy a property, you don't buy a property. If they do, you want use government, wuru come collect your thing, no gree. If they sell the property, give another person, milk una no gree, because they say they are there for the wrong side. So therefore, let the government build canal inside that place where they don't remove. My people, however, let's jump into the next ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say that military army don't come outside. They come talk say those army will come outside. Come talk, come blast the governor of Lagos State. Will be Sowolu or what it be Ashawolu. As he come talk and finish, he said those army don't say they don't catch, they don't arrest some of them for inside. Let's watch the video before we come back. Come proceed, my people.
I want to say that. The soldier that was apprehended by the governor of Lagos State while flying on a one-way does not represent the Nigerian army, because but in every respect he contravened what we stand for, which is discipline as an army, and it contravenes the constitution and the laws of Lagos. And so we frown at that as the army. But for what you allege that soldiers have gone to the social media casting aspersion on the person and the office of the governor of Lagos State, I would say it's only one soldier that has done that. The army has investigated, that soldier has been apprehended, and we are investigating for every other comic acts that you have seen on social media. They are not personnel of the Nigerian army. we have investigated that. From the mode of the dressing of some of them, you will know that they are not personnel of the Nigerian army. One of them was wearing the cap badge upside down. And you will know that that is not a personnel of the Nigerian army. An officer can never do that. So we have investigated some of them, and from the utterances that these people made, you will know the angle from which they are talking from. They were talking politics, not army. So we'll leave it at that. For the ones that pertain to the army, we are investigating. It will be treated accordingly. Even this morning, as I arrived in Enugu, the Chief of Administration Army sent me a draft directive that he was sending down to all formations and units of the Nigerian Army to further sensitize our troops on the need to be disciplined and abide with the laws of every community where they are deployed. So we are serious about upholding laws, upholding rules, and remaining disciplined, and we will enforce that on our personnel.
Even this man wey dey talk this thing, if you watch am, him mouth no too strong. I no talk say wetin the soldier do or where him dey run dey bad, but e get wetin I wan make you understand for this video. He said that the soldier that were apprehended by governor of Lagos State, they don finally arrest them. All this one na big lie, but however, at the first place, that people supposed to be in charge of those places, no be governor. Never see where it dey happen for Western world, where una dey mutate. Even the governor, if you no even know the governor, but the people put in place are doing their work the way it's supposed to be. Everybody is working accordingly and moving accordingly. So for Nigeria, even the governor self na military, na army, na everything. No limit for any office for inside Nigeria. If the reason where you understand what they talk for inside this matter, but however, it don't happen for inside Nigeria. Wetin we go do? My people, share this video. We go see you for the next update as e dey hot.